Permission to be Powerful is a reader-supported publication. To receive new posts and support my work, consider becoming a free or paid subscriber. Dear Permission to be Powerful reader. In a quiet Boston lab, a blind girl blinked as light hit her eyes for the first time. Gene therapy had restored her vision. For her, the future wasn't theoretical anymore. It was real. Right now, while most people obsess over elections, market crashes, or the price of eggs, a small group of scientists are quietly engineering the greatest health revolution in human history. A revolution that could erase aging itself, eliminate once deadly diseases like Alzheimer's, HIV, and cancer, and hand early movers a fortune in the $3 trillion longevity boom that's just beginning. And I'm here to tell you, it's already started. Breakthrough 1. Reversing the clock on aging itself. Scientists are reprogramming aged cells back into a youthful state using Nobel Prize-winning Yamanaka factors. In mice, this rejuvenated muscles, organs, and even extended lifespan. Aging is becoming a programmable and treatable condition. Breakthrough number 2. Alzheimer's disease. The ice wall finally cracks. Antibodies like lecanemab and donanemab can clear amyloid plaques and slow cognitive decline by 27–35%. Tau-targeting vaccines and metabolic therapies are next, fighting Alzheimer's at its roots. Breakthrough number 3. HIV, from death sentence to functional cure. CRISPR therapies like EBT-101 are cutting HIV out of DNA. Bone marrow transplants from CCR5D32 donors have achieved full remission. Broadly neutralizing antibodies are keeping HIV suppressed even off medication. Breakthrough number 4. Curing the incurable. CAR T-cells are delivering 55% complete remission rates in blood cancers. Lab-grown islet cells cured diabetes in clinical trials. Casgevy CRISPR therapy now cures sickle cell anemia. Breakthrough number 5. Senolytics, clearing out zombie cells. Senolytic drugs destroy senescent zombie cells that fuel aging. Clearing them out in mice restored vitality, reversed frailty, and extended lifespan by up to 30%. Breakthrough number 6. Young blood factors. Bottling youth scientists are isolating rejuvenating molecules like GDF11 from young blood. In mice, these factors restored memory, rebuilt muscles, and reversed organ aging. Breakthrough number 7. Brain rejuvenation, reversing cognitive decline. Transient exposure to Yamanaka factors rejuvenated aged mouse brains, restoring stem cells and boosting memory, learning, and cognition. Breakthrough number 8. Mitochondrial rescue, repairing the energy factories. Mitochondrial transplants and gene therapy repairs are restoring cellular energy in aging tissues, dramatically improving vitality and lifespan in animal models. Breakthrough number 9. Caloric restriction. Mimetics, longevity without starving. Compounds like rapamycin mimic the life-extending effects of fasting without reducing food intake. In animals, they boost immune resilience, delay cancer, and extend lifespan. Breakthrough 10. NAD+ restoration, reigniting the spark of youth. Restoring NAD+ levels revitalizes DNA repair, metabolism, and immune function. Clinical trials show promise in reversing muscle aging and cognitive decline. Breakthrough 11. Organ bioprinting, growing replacement parts. Scientists are using advanced 3D bioprinting to fabricate human organs from a patient's own cells. Kidneys, livers, and even heart tissue are being built layer by layer. Organ shortage could soon be a thing of the past. No more years-long waits for transplants. Breakthrough 12. Senescence vaccines, training the body to hunt. Aging cells vaccines are being developed to teach your immune system to recognize and destroy senescent zombie cells before they cause inflammation, cancer, and aging-related disease. Early studies show promising results for rejuvenating tissues and boosting vitality. Breakthrough number 13. Universal cancer vaccines. A shot against all tumors. Scientists are creating cancer vaccines that target markers common to many types of tumors. In trials, these vaccines train the immune system to destroy cancers before they can take hold, potentially making annual cancer vaccinations as normal as flu shots. Breakthrough number 14, shock and kill HIV strategies, evicting the virus. HIV hides in latent reservoirs, evading treatment. New shock and kill therapies wake up the hidden virus and destroy it permanently, using precision immune attacks. Functional cures are finally in sight. Breakthrough 15. Stem cell regrown pancreases, ending diabetes. Stem cell therapy is allowing scientists to grow fully functioning insulin-producing pancreatic cells. Clinical trials have already freed type 1 diabetics from needing insulin shots for months, pointing to a future where diabetes is reversed, not managed. Breakthrough number 16. Mitochondrial gene therapy, fixing the engines of life. Mitochondria power your cells, and when they fail, aging accelerates. Mitochondrial gene therapies are restoring energy production, repairing damaged mitochondria, and boosting cellular vitality in aged tissues. Breakthrough number 17. Neural regeneration with stem cells, healing the broken brain. Stem cell grafts are being implanted into damaged spinal cords and brains, helping paralyzed patients regain movement and stroke victims regain lost abilities. Regrowing brain and nerve tissue is no longer just a dream. Breakthrough 18. Anti-aging gene therapy, extending the healthy years. Gene therapies boosting longevity genes like FOXO3 and CLOTHO are being tested to extend healthy lifespan. In mice, these modifications increase lifespan by 30% without increasing disease risk. Breakthrough 19. CRISPR 2.0, prime editing, precision DNA repair. Prime editing allows single-letter corrections to DNA with astonishing precision. It's already reversing inherited diseases like Tay-Sachs and sickle cell in early trials, with lower risk than traditional CRISPR cutting. Breakthrough 20. Gut microbiome engineering, reprogramming health from within. By redesigning gut flora, scientists are reversing obesity, boosting immune resilience, curing autoimmune diseases, and even improving mental health. In the future, rebalancing your microbiome could become standard preventive care. Breakthrough 21. Epigenetic reprogramming, resetting cell identity. Scientists are targeting the epigenome, the software that tells DNA what to do, to reverse cellular aging without changing the genetic code. Partial reprogramming with Yamanaka factors rejuvenates cells without causing cancer. In mice, this restored organ function and improved survival after injury. Breakthrough 22. AI-designed drugs, 100x faster discovery. Artificial intelligence is accelerating drug development, designing molecules humans would take decades to invent. In 2023, the first AI-designed drug entered human trials, promising faster cures with fewer side effects. Breakthrough number 23. Brain-computer interfaces, restoring and enhancing minds. Neural implants like Elon Musk's Neuralink aim to restore movement in paralyzed patients and eventually boost memory, learning speed, and cognition. Early trials show direct brain-to-computer communication is real. Breakthrough 24. Base editing, erasing genetic errors. Base editing allows scientists to swap single DNA letters without cutting DNA strands. In early animal models, this reversed genetic blindness with near-total success and minimal risk. Breakthrough 25. Regenerating teeth, bioengineered new smiles. Scientists in Japan are reactivating dormant tooth buds to regrow adult teeth naturally. Human clinical trials begin in 2025, aiming to eliminate the need for dentures or implants. Breakthrough 26. Artificial blood, revolutionizing emergency medicine. Synthetic blood products that work better than donated blood are nearing human trials. They eliminate the need for blood matching and could save millions in trauma and surgery. Breakthrough 27. Universal organ banks, ending the waiting list. Scientists are engineering universal donor organs using gene editing, aiming to eliminate transplant rejection forever. Future hospitals could have banks of ready-to-go organs for any patient. Breakthrough number 28. Tissue regeneration scaffolds, rebuilding from within. Biodegradable scaffolds infused with growth factors are being implanted after injuries, regrowing blood vessels, heart tissue, and nerves. Trials show repaired heart muscle after massive heart attacks. Breakthrough number 29. Neuroplasticity. Boosting therapies. Rewiring the brain. New drugs and brain stimulation techniques enhance neuroplasticity, allowing stroke and trauma patients to recover lost functions far faster than traditional rehab. Breakthrough. 30. Immunomodulation for autoimmune disease. Precision calming. Instead of shutting down the entire immune system, new biologics selectively calm rogue immune cells. Patients with lupus, MS, and rheumatoid arthritis are achieving remission without dangerous immune suppression. Breakthrough. Shukter 31. CAR-T 2.0. Personalized cancer killers. Second-generation CAR-T therapies are being engineered to target solid tumors, like pancreatic and brain cancers, which were previously impossible to treat. New versions are smarter, safer, and more persistent. Your immune system could soon be trained to kill even the deadliest tumors. Breakthrough. Mer 32. Heart regeneration patches. Scientists are developing stem cell-infused patches that repair heart muscle after heart attacks. In animal studies, these patches fully restored damaged tissue and improved heart function. A damaged heart might soon heal itself. Breakthrough. 33. Anti-fibrotic drugs, stopping organ scarring. Fibrosis, the scarring that hardens and destroys organs, drives diseases from liver failure to heart disease. New drugs block fibrosis at the molecular level, allowing organs to heal rather than scar. Stopping fibrosis could halt dozens of deadly diseases before they take hold. Breakthrough. 34. Full-body MRI scanning, early detection revolution. Next-gen MRI scans powered by AI can find tumors, aneurysms, and organ degeneration years earlier than symptoms appear. Preventive full-body scans could become routine, detecting lethal diseases when they're still curable. In the future, silent killers won't stay silent. Breakthrough. 35. Synthetic embryo models. Understanding early life and repair scientists can now grow embryo-like structures from stem cells without using sperm or eggs. These models unlock secrets of early development and regeneration, offering insights into congenital disease and tissue engineering. By decoding life's beginning, we may master repair at every stage. Breakthrough. Mer 36. Microbiome transplants for mental health. Gut-brain science is exploding. Fecal microbiota transplants, FMT, and designer probiotics are already showing the ability to treat depression, anxiety, and even PTSD by rebalancing gut bacteria. Mental health therapy could start in the gut, not the brain. Breakthrough. 37. Bioelectronic medicine, healing with electrical signals. Tiny, implantable devices are being developed to modulate nerve signals and treat conditions like arthritis, diabetes, and inflammatory diseases. Instead of drugs, the future could bring precision, electrical prescriptions tuned to your body's own circuits. Healing could be just a microcurrent away. Breakthrough. 38. Aging clocks, measuring. Biological age. Chronological age is meaningless compared to biological age. DNA methylation tests and other biomarkers now allow precise measurement of how fast or slow your body is aging. Personalized anti-aging therapies will soon be guided by your real age, not the number on your ID. In the future, you won't ask, "How old are you?" but, "How young is your biology?" Breakthrough. 39. Exosome therapies, precision cell communication. Exosomes are tiny vesicle cells used to send molecular messages. Researchers are engineering exosomes to deliver healing instructions directly to injured tissues, from hearts to spinal cords to aging skin. Exosome therapies could program your body to heal itself, one molecular whisper at a time. Breakthrough. 40. Designer probiotics, programming. Your internal pharmacy scientists are engineering gut bacteria to sense, produce, and release therapeutic molecules directly inside the body. From producing insulin for diabetics to secreting anti-inflammatory agents, the gut could become a living drug factory. Your future medicine could live inside you, working 24/7. Breakthrough. Mer 41. Gene therapy for vision restoration. Blindness caused by inherited retinal diseases is being reversed. Gene therapies like Luxturna insert healthy copies of faulty genes directly into the retina. In early trials, Previously blind children regained functional vision. Seeing the world again could soon be just one injection away. Breakthrough number 42. Telomerase activation. Rebuilding the ends of life. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of your chromosomes that shrink with age. Therapies that reactivate telomerase, the enzyme that rebuilds these caps, have extended lifespan in animal models and reversed signs of cellular aging. Rebuilding your telomeres could rebuild your lifespan itself. Breakthrough. 43. Personalized cancer vaccines. Using a patient's own tumor DNA, researchers are creating individualized vaccines that train the immune system to hunt and destroy every last cancer cell. Early trials show unprecedented remission rates in deadly cancers like melanoma and pancreatic cancer. Your own immune system could become your most powerful cancer drug. Breakthrough. 44. Synthetic skin grafts for burns and wounds. Lab-grown skin made from a patient's own cells is being used to heal severe burns and chronic wounds. Unlike traditional grafts, synthetic skin integrates seamlessly, reduces scarring, and restores full skin function. Severe burns could soon heal without a trace. Breakthrough. 45. Age reversal. Through partial cellular reprogramming. Transiently expressing Yamanaka factors, without erasing cell identity, has reversed biological age in mouse models. In humans, early experiments suggest partial reprogramming could improve skin elasticity, organ function, and cognitive performance. Youth could be rebooted at the cellular level. Breakthrough. 46. Blood-brain barrier repair for neurodegeneration. A leaky blood-brain barrier, BBB, contributes to Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and MS. New therapies are repairing the BBB, sealing it against toxins and rogue immune cells, potentially halting or reversing brain diseases. Protecting the brain's gatekeeper could mean protecting your mind. Breakthrough. 47. Next-gen vaccines against aging-related infections. New vaccines are targeting cytomegalovirus, CMV, a hidden virus that accelerates immune aging. By preventing CMV, scientists hope to preserve immune resilience, extend health span, and delay age-related decline. Vaccines could become weapons against aging itself. Breakthrough. 48. Bioartificial kidneys. Wearable or implantable bioartificial kidneys are being developed to replace dialysis, filtering blood continuously without needing a donor transplant. Prototypes are already being tested in humans. Kidney failure may no longer mean a lifetime on machines. Breakthrough. Chapter 49. Universal flu and coronavirus vaccines. Scientists are creating vaccines that protect against all strains of flu or coronavirus, even future variants. By targeting conserved regions of viral proteins, these vaccines could end the cycle of annual shots and pandemic fears. The age of seasonal plagues could end in our lifetime. Breakthrough. 50. Full-body regeneration strategies. Combining stem cells, gene editing, and reprogramming, scientists envision protocols that could one day regenerate multiple organs and tissues simultaneously. The ultimate goal, not just fixing diseases as they occur, but maintaining youthful function across the whole body for decades longer. Health span could finally catch up to lifespan. Final word. You are living at the dawn of the greatest transformation in human health history. Aging itself is being unraveled. Diseases once deemed incurable are falling. And the door is opening to a future where the human lifespan and health span are limited only by our imagination. The time to prepare is not tomorrow. It's now. Until next time, Anton Dancer, writer, Buddhist. Permission to be Powerful is a reader-supported publication. To receive new posts and support my work, consider becoming a free or paid subscriber.